Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can set your own photo and a widget on your iPhone to the home screen. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments. So, let us get started with you. As you can see, I already have a photo widget like this, but I'm going to remove it now in order to show you from the very beginning how it's done. So, you'll need to go to your phone's gallery. Next, you'll see albums. You can select a photo from any album or from a shared album. And here you will need to select some photo that you would like to put on widgets in the future. And when that photo is selected, you open it. Next, you click on the Submit sign at the bottom. Here you scroll down a little bit and you find Add to Album. And you need to create a new album with one photo in it. You click New Album, give it a name. You click Save to save, and the photo is instantly moved into the album. Now we close the gallery with you and what you need to do next. Now you will need to click on the empty field on the work screen. That is somewhere here. You press and hold until your All Applications. Shortcuts will not start to load like this. Then you need to click on the plus sign at the top and click or find this photo widget. You click on it, and now you can see that you have options. For example, the first 3 options. This you can see the different sizes of this widget, but we scroll further down, and under the word Album, you will need to choose the size of this widget. I, for example, like this size the best. Once you've chosen the size, you click Add Widget. And now, as you can see, you have it added to your desktop screen. And the next thing you do is you click on it. Opposite, Album, you choose which album you want. The main thing to remember is the name of the album you just moved the photo to. And as you can see, we now have the name of the album in front of Album. We just click on the screen blank. And instantly, as you can see, we have the photo in the widget. So that's the very simple way to set your own iPhone widget photo on your home screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and don't forget to write comments. See you soon, friends.